Hey folks, in this demo I would like to show you the end-to-end tests that we've created with Word in the playground directly. So the goal is to test as much things as we can in one go, from the playground until the model router or the model key that you have in your agent. So the test that is interesting for us right now is the chat modes, stream, text stream. So let's run this one. It will do a bunch of things and it will say that the test has passed, which was kind of fast. And if we check for the test, you've seen that I've asked a question and I got an answer. And if we analyze the timeline, we can see that some stuff is happening, some text is actually streaming, which is kind of cool, right? Because we are leveraging the streaming mechanism from the backend until reaching the front end. So how does it work under the hood? And how can we make so precise assertions? This is the test itself. So we are running this text stream thing. It will select a specific fixture. This fixture is going to be the response that the model key in the agent will return us. So in this specific example, I'm deciding to use the text fixture, and the text fixture is basically a lot of raw network chunks that looks like this and that are very far in the stack. So before every transformation that we apply on this information, basically. So yeah, that's the text stream fixture that we're using here. In order to set this fixture and to inform the agent that we want to use this specific data, we are leveraging the runtime context. And actually we are using a tweak or a cheat, because if you've been using the playground, you know that on the left sidebar you have a runtime context entry, and when you modify the information here and you press the save button, it will store the runtime context into your local storage. And when you will interact with an agent, it will send this local storage entry representing the runtime context to the agent so that it can use it. And so what we do here is that we basically tweak that and we say, hey, store the runtime context in the local storage, but store my personal fixture under the fixture key. And then when I will interact with my agent, I will send this specific local storage entry, and I will be able to do something like this. At the model level, we will use the function way to define the model, and we will extract the fixture from the model. And then using the AI/test model from Vercel, we are able to create a mock language model v2 that will be used by the model. And since we have access to the fixture key in the Node.js lens, we can resolve the fixture that we want. So we have a record of fixtures, and for the text stream one, we are resolving this. So this is how it works under the hood. And the biggest challenge here is actually to get all of those information, because it's pretty deep in the stack. I'm not very sure how to get the exact information because I tend to only receive part of the stream instructions. So if anybody is able to point me to the right file where I can put some logs and get the entire stream and not only just the tool call or just the text delta, whatever, but the entire thing, that would be super great, so that we can create a bunch of those fixture and we will be able to do have a bigger coverage regarding everything that goes from the end of the stack to the front end using streaming, for example. So yeah, that was the demo for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot and see you later.